Jennifer Klein here, Coldwell Banker Sunridge, RosevillandRockland.com. I wanted to take a minute and talk with you about some new voting legislation that's gone on since voting season upon us. I thought it was an appropriate topic to discuss. It has to do with dual tracking. As a matter of fact, if you Google dual tracking, the bill will come up. Basically what that does is protects home sellers who are in a short sale process right now, who have an approved short sale, basically protects them from the lender foreclosing. A lot of people don't understand that these banks have two different departments, the foreclosure department and the short sale department. In this case, the left hand does not talk to the right. I'm sure we've all heard horror stories where you were in the process of closing on your short sale with an approved offer, and the bank proceeded with foreclosure proceedings. And basically, it's the bank's way of doing things. This legislation, AB 1745, does not allow banks to foreclose while you have an approved short sale. It does not allow them to start the foreclosure proceedings. So in a big way, it will protect home sellers who are doing a short sale from the bank's foreclosing. So this is also something you may see in a loan modification process. So if you're considering a loan modification and you think you're in a loan modification and you have the paperwork worked up and you are at risk of default, make sure you are checking on any foreclosure sale dates or anything of that nature. That happens as well. People think they're in a loan modification and the foreclosure proceedings start. This dual tracking will protect home sellers from having the foreclosure proceedings going on at the same time as the loan modification or the short sale. So just be aware, go ahead and Google dual tracking. It is a very hot topic in the Senate right now. As of January 2013, it should be in play, and it's something that you need to understand if you're in a distressed situation, what kind of things can happen in the meantime. So if you have any questions, please give me a call, 916-230-3880, or you can check us out at RosevillandRockland.com. Thanks.